Alrighty guys, where's the light? Yes, this is my, for now it's the junk room, but I gotta get all organized guys. I got stuff everywhere. This room doubles as the missus work from home. As you can see, is a corner desk, so she got this spot where I would be. Now I'm usually right here doing my live stream. You can see this camera right here, but I'm about to change all of this. All this is about to get cleaned up. About to organize these cables, my mixing board. Here's my big camera that I have nothing to wear it on. I need a desktop tripod, but this is too. And my light, I gotta get all of this. Now, this did come in. I ordered 2 of these actually. They're cheap, guys. Professional recording, newer. The stand, just similar to this, but I'm not gonna use it for mics. I'm gonna use it to hold cameras, okay? Like this, and my little. It's funny, guys. My smallest camera seems to be my best camera. Where is it at? I don't even know where it's at. It's hidden under some of this junk. All of this is about to get cleaned up. So what I have to do. Yes, 2 of these. So I'm gonna have one holding the light. Probably this light right here. Real good LED light. I just need it over my head for sort of a headlight. Oh my God, I forgot this came in. This is my wireless headset. When I film people doing their home Zoom training. The lady I filmed for, I had to get her away so she could talk. Yes, guys, I got a lot of work to do. Oh my goodness, I've been looking for this. This is my interface, I want to say. It's where you can take any camera into, especially a 4K camera. You can put the data into your computer and stream that way. I'm about to do some real different style streaming, okay? Because I have cameras that can do that, but I tend to only been using this because I just ain't took the time to hook stuff up the way it's supposed to. All right, now this, guys, like I say, will be used for cameras, camera gear. All right, such as this. All right, so like I say, this my smallest camera tends to be mine. This is a 4K GX7 III. All right, so but what I need, I'm gonna tie it on the desk, and I'll be able to motion this around any way I want. But what I have to go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get some attachment, okay? Because the only attachment that came with it happens to be like this microphone attachment, because that's really what it is. A microphone stand. I'm just gonna use it, however, for other things. Okay, so guys, in a minute I'm about to take a trip to Home Depot. All right, yes, mic. I'm gonna use this is my professional mic. Now I really want the Newman just for looks. I mean, I can get the same sound out of this, but the Newman looks so much professional coming from the stand. So I got a Newman, guys. Y'all know what I told y'all I do with the revenue I get from the channel. I put it back into the channel. Okay, this mic turned out to be a flop. Not a flop, I just don't like it. I'm gonna hang on to it and put it in my studio room when I finally get cleared up. As you can see, guys, like I say, I got a lot of cleaning up to do, so take a look at it now, because when I'm done, you're not gonna recognize it. Okay, so I gotta clean all this up. Yeah, we talked about my little spy glasses that's not so spy. All right, here's my keys. Guys, let's take a trip to Home Depot or either Lowe's. I don't know which one, but I gotta find some kind of way to trick this into thinking it's for a camera. So the little attachments on the end of the camera. I got another one of my small ones. Like right here, I need this to be able to sit on here, me be able to turn it either way I want. Okay, we're gonna pull it off. My docking station came from my laptop, so now this is a high-powered gaming laptop, guys. So I can really, the docking station right there, I can really tie in a whole, those two monitors will be dedicated to this. Actually, this monitor and that monitor will be, these two monitors dedicated to this computer. My mixing board is dedicated to my mic and sound. I'll explain it all when I'm done, guys. For now, with my keys, let's head down to Home Depot, guys. Let's get it. All right. I don't even know where to start. See, I know I'm pretty familiar with bolts and nut section, so it might be over here, guys. Pretty familiar with Lowe's, where they store their stuff, but Home Depot not that familiar with. It ain't gotta be nothing fancy. Just something to turn and screw in my camera so I can, oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right here, guys. That's all I need. It's gotta be a 1/4 inch head though. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is it right here, but this is too long. I need this size but shorter. Ooh, that's 2 inches. I don't need 2 inches.
Notice some there, but those are all small. Down here.
Right here, guys. Ding, 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 ding. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. That's what I need. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all how. I'd really rather it be black so it can look professional, but I don't have any black ones. I'm gonna go with this. Well, of course, it's gonna be sitting on the camera, and the camera is not gonna record the camera, so I don't know, man. People be on YouTube, they just complain about anything, and it likely looks good, so I'm gonna go. Yeah, this will do. I don't even feel like looking. I know they make black ones because I've seen the black ones in Lowe's, but I did not feel like hunting it down. So that's it, guys. All right. Always need a valet key, guys. For work. Just in case you get locked. Oh.